Hey, what's up guys? This is Keir here. Today I've got a clip for you of Prowler Battles. This is a tool that we use at Wasps a lot for conditioning. It's got a great transfer over to rugby. We find that it mimics the defensive pattern of rugby union around rucks and the general defensive pattern in rugby league really well. What you need for your Prowler Battle is a Prowler, a sled, or even just an aerobic step that's turned over and filled with plates. So it's really quite versatile. Then you need to mark out 5 meters with 2 cones. You can do longer than 5 meters if you want, but that's what we use. And lastly, you're going to need 2 guys because it's a 2-person conditioning tool. So here's how it works. You push your Prowler or sled as fast as possible to the other guy's cone, and then he does the same to you whilst you backpedal back to where you started from. The idea is to minimize the other guy's rest whilst he's backpedaling as much as possible and to really compete. You do that for 20 seconds and you stop and rest for 10, and then we repeat that for 8 sets in Tabata style intervals. You can do it for longer if you want, but I would advise that this really needs short, sharp intervals. Tip number 1 is change ends on the Prowler because the bottom handles are a lot tougher than the top and you want both guys working equally. However, if you've got 2 athletes that are quite unmatched in terms of conditioning, it would make sense to put your fitter athlete on the bottom handles all the time. Tip number 2, really emphasise the competitive element between the guys doing the conditioning. The harder one works, the harder the other's going to work because nobody wants to be embarrassed. As you can see here, I've included a clip of 2 intervals of me and one of the scholarship guys at Wasps, Kieran, doing the Prowler Battles. We've only included 2 intervals, but I've just put it here so you can see how it works because I've probably explained it poorly. Give it a go. Get back to me, tell me what you think, and I'll be happy to hear your comments. Cheers, guys.